Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message or audio problem. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Just keep watching until the end. First step, just open the settings on your phone and then it will take you to this page. Go to the apps manager like this. Now here all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp. When you find it, just click on it easily. If you didn't find it, you can just use the search bar here in the top and search for WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp and here on this page all what you have to do is clicking this on this option. It's called force stop and then go to this permissions page and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the microphone and the storage. Go back. Now last thing you have to do is just go to the app details down here, click on it. It will take you directly to the Google Play as you can see. Or what you have to do here is just make sure to click on update if you don't have the latest version of WhatsApp. That's it guys. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you for watching.